All right, the Firefly FFLGS. This is their take on an SG. This one is the 3 pickup model. Let's get this box going and see. I got some dings here. Hopefully it's okay. UPS is not always the nicest shipping place, so we'll see what happens. Let's get this thing open and take a look. Make sure it's okay. Well, that's not promising. Well, we'll cut it open and take a look. Okay, there's the yellow. Very, very deep yellow. It's not like that vintage yellowish white look. Three pickups gold. Alright, enough of that. Let's get this wrapping off of here. Rosewood fretboard, I think. It's block inlays. Looks really nice. There you see the offset. The one horn's a little bit higher than the other. Looks like it's got a little cutaway, like an arm carve kind of thing on it. A little bit thicker, I think, than a regular SG. I don't have my SG here to compare it right now, but looks a little thicker. Paint all the way up. There's the heel, smoothed. Paint all the way up. There's the sort of Grover-ish tuners. Alright, looks good. There it is. 3 pickup SG style. Alright, I guess the next thing is to plug this thing in and listen to it.